Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's demo, I will show you that how to create multiple sheets according to the months and how to add it in this workbook, right? So what's we gonna do in this particular example, just like we have a sheet one over here. So we will add one sheet here. We will rename it as January, then February, March, April, and till December, we will create 12 different sheets and we will rename it according to the months using VBA. So in order to open a Visual Basic editor, you simply need to press Alt F11. Once you will press Alt F11, then this Visual Basic will appear in front of you. And in order to insert a module, simply click on this insert, then click on this module. Once you will click in the module, then you can see this blank module has been created. And in this blank space, you can write your code. So first of all, in order to create a code, we need to type here a sub that is called subroutine, and I will give a name like add sheets. So you can give any name like add sheets, add sheet, and A, B, C, D, whatever name you want to give, you can give. But it is always recommended that always give a relevant name to your project according to the whatever the things you are doing in the project. So in the same manner, you need to just give the name of that project. Just like in this particular example, we are adding the sheets. So I have given the name of the subroutine name add sheets, and so let's suppose it would be a finance project. Then I will type here like finance project, something like that. And you can just write A, B, C, D, something like that. So it will also work. But always give some relevant name to your project. So I'm giving it a name like sheets, add sheet. And my subroutine has been created. So between sub and sub, I have to write my code. So one more thing I want to tell you that you would be wondering that how this and sub will just appear over here. Just you need to type here like sub, then add sheets, then open bracket and close bracket, then press enter. This and sub automatically will appear over here, right? Then what we are going to do this in this particular project, that we are just adding sheet one by one and we are renaming it according to the month. So first of all, we will just add one variable over here. In order to add variable, I will use dim I as an integer. So I is this will hold only numeric values, right? So after that, I will type here for loop command for I is equal to 1 to 12. And always just remember that whenever you are just writing for loop command, then close it with next. So why I have taken 1 to 12? So because one just think about it, just like one is January, two is February, and in 1 year we have only 12 months. That is why I have taken 12. Our for loop work like this, like I will type here, if I will type here message box and I, and if I run it, then you can see that it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then this code will exit. This for loop will be exit, right? So whatever the values we are, this message box is returning just like 1. Then we will convert 1 to January, 2 to Feb, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, right? We will do it later on. So we have created our skeleton of the for loop. Then what we'll have to do, we have to add the sheets. In order to add sheet, we need to type here sheets dot add. It will add sheet. But in this particular example, what we are gonna do that just like this is a sheet one. So I want to add here January, and after January, February, then after February, March, April, May, June. In this particular sequence, I want to run my code. So in order to do that, I will just press space. Then I will type here after colon equal to sheets and then sheets dot count. So this syntax will do. So just like right now we have one sheet, it will add after it like two sheet, right? And after this, it will add another sheet here. Then in this way, it will add sheet in a sequential manner, right? So I'm going to delete all the sheets right now. So this is my code. So I have just added all the sheets. The adding sheet code I have already written over here. Now once my sheet will be added to my workbook, then I will have to rename it according to the months. Then simply I will have to type. So before writing any code here, then I will show you one more thing. So just like only sheet 1 is activated right now, this is my active sheet. Once this line of code will add one sheet over here, just like it will add one sheet. So in this particular instance, this sheet is activated, right? So we will use the same method over here. Then this line of code will add sheet. Then I will say that active sheet dot name equal to I, not I, but I will, because I have to type here month name, so I will type here month name, then I. So this month name formula or function, you can whatever you want to say, it will convert 1 to January, 2 to February, 3 to March. In the same way, it will just keep on changing the month name. Now once this for loop will execute it from here, in first instance the value of I will be 1. Then when it will go to the next, and when it will come back here, then it will change 2, then 3, 4. Once it will reach to the 12, then it will automatically exit this and it will go to the end sub, right? So in this way this code will execute it. Execute basically, right? Then I will run this code. I will simply click on this play button, or you can just in keyboard you can just press F5. So you can see in this particular screen tip it says that run sub user form F5. So you can press F5 as well in order to run this particular script. So right now I'm just clicking on this play button. So this, you can see that this code has been executed and it has created 12 different sheets, January to December. So I'm going to delete all the sheets. I have selected all the sheets, right click over here and delete all the sheets. So right now I will show it to you in a debug mode that how it's running, right? So in order to run debug mode, you can see that in debug option we have F8 step into. Step into means it line of code it will step into one by one. I will press F8, then F8, then if we are running our code in a debug mode method, then the color of this line you can see that it is automatically changed to the yellow. Then I have press F8 again, then you can see that I value is 1 right now. Then it will add one sheet over here. Right now this sheet is activated, active sheet. So this active sheet, this month name in it will change the 1 to January. You can see that it has changed it to the January. Then next, then it will go up. Then I value you can see that it is incremented to 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Now it is 2. So now it is 2. Then it will change it to the February. Same method, it will just keep on renaming the sheets and keep on adding the sheets. Okay, I will press F8, F8, F8. Now it will, so you can see here September, October, November. Now if you will click on the I button, you hover your mouse on I button, I variable, not button, I variable, then you can see that the value of I is changed to the 11. Now it is 12. So it will execute this code. It has activated this sheet. And this 12, it has changed month name, changed 12 to December. And now it has reached to the 12, and now it will exit this loop and it will go to the end sub. Now my code is completed. It has been executed successfully. So you can see that how this code has been executed. So I hope you would like this video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.